perfect morning for nectar and new adventures.
Chip, chip.
Oh no, little feather friend, are you lost?
Chip. Mama.
Don't worry, little chirper. I'll help you find your nest. You're not alone anymore.
Whoa, time cutie alert.
Is someone in trouble? Rescue time! A storm must have knocked the nest down. We need to find where this little one belongs.
I'll scout from the sky.
And I'll protect our little feather friend down here.
We'll build a tiny leaf bridge, just bee-sized. That's it, one step at a time. You're doing great. If we share the weight, we can lift the baby together. Teamwork time. Nice and easy, team. Wings together, and up we go. Whoa there, Feather Buddy. We'll help you get home safely. Up here. We found your little one. Sometimes the bravest heroes are the ones who help tiny voices be heard. Today we didn't just collect nectar, we helped a family feel whole again. That's the sweetest thing of all. Remember, little heroes, if you see someone small and scared, a kind heart and brave wings can help them home. If our baby bird rescue made you smile, tap like, subscribe to join our Honey Hive family, and share. See you in the